So yesterday, we built the Marginalia Castle, and we had a band of vicious bunny rabbits attack it. They had no luck, so they brought in the big guns. They brought in the battery-powered catapult in order to siege that castle. So we'll take a look at a couple more shots. I'm sure you want to see it in operation a little bit more. Really simple, and I did this whole thing in one day, but it can be a lot of refinement. You can actually get this thing to shoot a lot further. Some easy things are stronger batteries. My batteries need recharging, but there's a lot of things you can do to make this even stronger than it is. But I'm going to show you how to make something like this. Not step by step, but you'll get the concept and the ideas. Now this is a solenoid. It's a really simple electrical device. And it's everywhere in the world. There are millions of them that you don't even realize. I'm going to even show you an example. But you apply electricity to it, and it moves like that. And when the electricity is turned off, the spring pushes it back. Just like that. That's all there is to it. And this one is 12 volts. I will be putting a link to this exact one if you want to buy it on Amazon. But there's thousands of them. Really easy. And so to activate it, you need 12 volts. This little battery pack here with, 8 AA batteries gives us 12 volts. From there, all you need is a switch. I use a little push button, but you can use any kind of switch. So simple as that. Just those 3 things. The solenoid, the power source, and a switch. And now I wanted to show you a solenoid in action to give you a sense for how they're used. They're used in doorbells like this. And you can see that plunger, and we'll actually zoom in so you can see it better. But watch, you press the button, and that plunger moves. And in the case of a doorbell, it's really clever. It uses both actions. It hits one bell on the right there, and then when the spring pushes it back, it hits the other bell on the left, which is kind of smart. That's why you get a ding-dong. So, all right, so let's take a look at a couple of things, and we're going to see it shoot a couple more times, but I want to show you some important things. That string is actually very important, but here, just a fulcrum, a lever, it just pushes it and forces the catapult forward. And I put a little piece of plastic on there so the cardboard wouldn't wear out. And I used a straw, and inside that straw is a barbecue skewer. And that makes it rotate nice and easy. That way there's no friction, very little friction. Little plain old drinking straw. See that? And so now you can adjust that string, and this is important for the length of the throw. Depending on where the catapult arm stops will change how far it shoots the projectile. So you can have it shorter, longer. So keep a length of string on yours so you can adjust it for whatever distance of throw you want. And this can be worked on and tuned to be much more powerful. I just threw together one with cardboard. You could use wood. So are our bunny rabbits happy with it? Our attacking bunny rabbits? Yep, one of them even took a prisoner from the castle. Yes, they're celebrating. They sieged that castle successfully because of their, what did I call it? The battery-powered catapult. Yay! Thanks for watching. More stuff coming.